in the lines. And 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, qualification match number 7 starting. Red human players in 35-45 scoring in the red hub and autonomous. Blue human players also scoring. Autonomous is over. Looks like blue won the shift. It'll be the red alliance hub first, active first after the transition period. It is now the red alliance's hub active. .5103 shuffling balls through their trench. DiscoBots and 35-45 shooting in their active hub. It is now the blue shift. 63-77, that's the HowdyBots shuffling balls into their human player station to shoot balls in their active hub. 51-03 also shooting. 61-77 just herding balls into their human player station. It is now the red shift. DiscoBots 25-87 shooting into their active hub. Also red human players and 35-45 shooting into their active hub. .6243 shuffling balls to their human player, getting ready to shoot into their active hub. It is now the blue shift. 63-77 and 62-43 shuffling balls to their human players. Blue human players just absolutely knocking it down. 25-87 shuffling balls to their human player, getting ready for the end game hub activation. It is now end game. Both hubs are now active. Red human players shooting balls into the hub, and also blue human players. Got about 10 seconds left in this match. 40-76 trying to shuffle some last balls to their human players. And that's the match. Only a 1-point difference, and it'll be the Blue Alliance. 98-97. Blue Alliance will be earning the 3 ranking points from the win. 62-43 now ranked 9th. And 63-77 now ranked 16th.